I'm here with Mr. Pampanga, Emerjan. Hello, congratulations in advance. So how are you today right after the preliminary competition?
Sobrang saya kasi natapos na rin ang aming swimmer competition and napaka-smooth ng gabing to.
Yan. Sa 3 segments ng preliminary competition, alin dito yung mas nag-enjoy ka?
Siguro mas nag-enjoy ako dun sa national costume kasi meron kaming iba't ibang pinagmamalaki per province and we had the chance to show them in all of the guests here at Bataan.
Alin naman dito yung pinaka-nahirapan ka?
Pinaka-nahirapan ako siguro, of course, sa swimwear kasi I thought ready na ako sa katawan ko pero watching myself in my phone or in other videos, medyo chubby-chubby pa, di ba?
They say that chubby is yummy. Do you believe in that?
Of course, I am yummy.
Wow, bongga. And syempre, marami ka pang preparation na dapat pagandaan for the finals night. So, ano ito?
Of course, meron pa kami 3 days and patuloy pa rin naman ang diet. And if I have a free time during our preparation, siguro sisingit ko yung pag-exercise. Ayan.
Your fans and supporters are watching right now. You can invite them to watch the coronation night.
Hey guys, I would like to invite you on our coronation night. That will be happen on in Novotel, Manila. Okay.
On June 20.
On June 20. So, July 20. Okay.
July.
So,
Ulit.
hello everyone. So, I would like to invite you in our finals on July 20. So, kita-kita tayo doon. Kita-kita tayo doon.
Ayun. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And best of luck.
Thank you.
Talking to your performance, how will you rate it from 1 to 10? Alin ka dito at bakit?
7. I think because I'm not that totally ready sa aking physical appearance. But I will just do my best. Yeah.
Ayun. Thank you so much. Napakagwapong Emerjan.
Talaga ba?
Ating engineer. Napaka-charming also. Ayun.
Thank
Best
you.
of luck.